Some wiener schnitzel. They have the best lemonade. Yeah, I ain't supposed to be eating this. I am not supposed to be eating this. That I ain't supposed to have. I'm supposed to not be eating no meat. Girl. I've been doing good too. Really good. Alright, we're just gonna go through this alley. Everybody, mama trying to make that turn. Okay, then we're gonna get on the freeway and get on out of here. So, on my way home, there was an accident. Not on my way home, leaving work, there was an accident, and I have like this thing on my phone when something happens in the neighborhood or whatever. It come up on my phone and it say, you know, such and such on a block, blah blah blah, accident, whatever. So just happened to be this particular time it's an actual employee that had an accident. I'm like, oh Lord, I hope everybody all right. Just a lot going on, guys. Be so careful, you know. It's just, I just get so afraid for my kids, you know. Maybe the first 2 bites, I was like, ugh, I don't like that. Then after that 3rd bite, my taste buds was like, I remember this. Like, I need to go back and just clear that whole aisle. I'll buy the whole damn thing. Because that's a, you know what? I'm going to get the washcloths. Y'all hold up. I ain't being greedy, Anna. I'm just saying. Cause okay guys, we made it back home. Now we went to Dollar Tree and I just picked up those cloths. But I don't know if you guys could actually see what those cloths are. But they're these here. Yardley disposable washcloths, alcohol free and rich with aloe vera, chamomile, and vitamin E. These are a lifesaver. If you're the type of person who don't like using washcloths, who it irritates you, or you just don't like using them, these are a lifesaver. They're huge. They're really big. They're really big, they stretch, and they smell awesome. You just wipe your body off. Wipe your face off, wipe your makeup off. For those days you want to refresh up, wipe your twat out, you know what I'm saying? Refresh, regroup. Awesome. So, if you are in a Dollar Tree or you see them somewhere, pick one up and use it and see if you like it. I love them. And usually I get these from Amazon, and I'm going to attach the price there so you guys can see the difference. $1.25 plus what Amazon charge. You tell me. Alright, and then I just picked up some soft soap. That was it. Okay, so on to what you here for, girl. Now check this out. This is an old wig. I did this wig before, but it was in a weird color, and I just always said I was going to do it again in a dark color and see if I actually like it. Was it the color, or was it just the wig was not good for me? So, we're going to be doing, excuse me, we're going to be doing Jasmiyah again, okay, in Wigpop. We're going to try her again because the one I did do it in, it just didn't work for me. I think the color, it just didn't go. So we're going to try her again, okay? So it is Wigpop. We're going to try her again. I said maybe it's the color. So I picked it up in the black. I picked it up in the number 2 thinking that it would make a difference. Okay, so if when I try this thing on and it still ain't working, that means it's the wig. The wig just ain't for me. Okay, so I decided to give her another chance. Another chance for romance, okay? We're gonna see if it works. Alright, so pretty much regular cap construction. Now, what's wonderful about this wig is it is a full wig, and it is a full wig. It has regular cap construction, 2 combs in the front, 2 combs in the back, and adjustable straps. Let's shake her out. Okay, now the thing about Jasmiyah that made her famous on the internet was that it was the texture. Okay, what's all this mess up in it? It was the texture of this wig that made it so awesome because it is a yucky material. So let's go ahead and try her on and see what's what. Okay, here we go. Now, it looks way better up. When you wear it down, it's just way too much hair. And the black did make a difference. Made a big difference. But I just come to the realization I'm not a fan of natural, the kinky hair on me. So I've come to that realization. Okay, so when I first did this wig, I did it in this color. It did not work. This worked out better as far as the color. It worked out better for me. And putting it up works better for me also. Okay, so I think this time it was a slide. Okay, you guys tell me what you think. When I wore it down, I didn't really care for it down. It was just way too much hair. When I wear it down, But wearing it up gives it a whole nother like retro feel, you know what I'm saying? So I'm liking that. All right, so I didn't want to keep you guys long. I know I promised a wig, and here it is. And I hope everybody's doing well. Really cute. Okay, I'm feeling her now. At first I was like, oh, I done messed up again. Or whatever, but yeah, I think it works well with being up. Okay. Yeah, so what I figured out was that if you want to wear it up, that cap has to be tight. You gotta put those two bands in the back almost touching each other so that the cap will be tight. Then you can just pull it up and it doesn't move. So she's cute. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. If you haven't subscribed yet, well, could you go ahead and do that so we can be family? And then hit a like for your girl so the algorithm will know we in the house. All right. Oh, look at that. Got a little bounce to it. Bounce if she walk. Yeah. Bounce when she walk. Yeah. Bounce when she walk. Yeah. All right. It got a little bounce to it and everything. Okay. All right, guys. So I'll talk to you when I talk to you. Remember, be safe out there in these streets. Be kind to one another and stay strong.